On the heels of the top mom Casey Anthony not guilty verdict, now an Orlando jury hands down yet another not guilty verdict, seemingly in the face of overwhelming evidence. Not so, says Caryn Kelly's defense attorney. Joining us live tonight, didn't. Diana, your client decided seemingly again at the last minute not to take the stand. Why?
Well, frankly, it wasn't necessary, Nancy. The law enforcement had already acknowledged that it was a struggle and an accident. There was no evidence that there was anything other than a struggle and an accident that causes discharge. We know that he entered the room, he crossed the room, he engaged with her physically, and a terrible tragedy ensued. So it just didn't seem that having somebody testify 2 years after the fact, when you had all of the statements that she made that we managed to get in front of the jury right there in the hours afterward, why would they believe those statements 2 years later if they weren't going to believe what she said at the time?
You know, didn't, I think that the jury was misguided, but I have to say, even so, you tried a heck of a case, and you were right. She didn't have to testify. You managed to win the case without her taking the stand, and I will point out that that was pretty wise because Jodi Arias, I don't know if you followed that, on the stand 18 days. The jury just, set them on their teeth listening to her for 18 days. You made a very wise decision, speaking strategically, but out to sea.